In maths, this is something that we have to do all the time. This is why we spend so much time on making sure you understand how numbers work and things like that. Now, this unit is called solving equations. So to solve equations, the first thing you need to know is what an equation is. So you'll see here we've got 2x equals 4. I know this is an equation because right here is an equal sign. So every equation has an equal sign, and it really doesn't matter if it's this way or that way. So 4 equals 2x is just the same equation. So I've just tidied that up a little bit. So if you have a look, you'll see that I've got an arrow, but I've got to write must, if I can, must have an equals sign. So when you solve this equation to find an answer, you will see that you'll be working out what x equals. So that's what I'd be working out. What does x equal to make this sum work? So the first method that we have is guessing and checking. So this is something that you've always done. So method 1 is guess and check. So for this, you would guess, I don't know, you can basically see that it is x equals, and I'm sure you'll be right, x equals 2. So what we do is we guess, so x equals 2. So now I'll redo it. 2 times 2, so remember when I'm replacing something I do that, equals 4. Wow, it's right. So that means I don't have to refine it because I've got the right answer. If I guessed wrong and got the wrong answer, that means I'd have to redo it. So now I have a new problem, much harder than the last one. I'm going to just look at it and I'm going to guess that it is going to be, oh, I don't know, that x equals 3. So I'm going to guess that x equals 3. So my next step would be to calculate it. So I'm going to check with a calculation. Check using substitution. So that's something that we've done before. Remember in basketball, you sub people off, you replace them for something else. So I'll rewrite the sum now. 2, that's the first one, times 3, because that's what I'm guessing, plus 3. Does that equal 7? So we'll check it. So using BODMAS, BODMAS is really important, it always happens. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3. Does that equal 7? No, it does not equal 7. So we'll try and get my pen to work. Does not equal 7. Therefore, x cannot equal 3. So that means I have to re-guess again. So I'll look at it and, oh geez, it's pretty close. So that means I'll go for, what about x equals, so I'm going to guess this time, x equals 2. So all I've done is shifted it up. So now I'm going to redo it with x equals 2. I'm just going to draw it because it's easier than me typing. So if you have a look, I've got 2 times, what does x equal this time? 2 plus 3 equals, let's see what it equals. So 2 times that is 4 plus 3. Oh my lord, it equals 7. Yes. Therefore, and this is important, that's what those things stand for. Therefore, x does equal 2. Now I'll check it. Again, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3. Yeah, beautiful. So see how that works? And I've underlined it to make sure that I'm showing that's the answer and that I've checked. The hassle with this method is it takes too long. You could be guessing and checking forever. Alright, so this method takes too long, so we don't usually use this method. So we try a different one, and that's method 2.